Hello everyone, I've got a new Kenbak-1 experiment to show off today. I have to give thanks to Vicente Gonzales for the micro Kenbak-1 kit that enables this project. If anybody remembers, the last experiment I created a cellular automata, one-dimensional, started out as a 1x8 universe and expanded that to a 1x648 universe, but because of the Kenbak's limited output of 8 bits at a time, it was very difficult to make that appear interesting at all. So this project is to increase the Kenbak's output capacity, and at the time of the Kenbak, electric typewriters were a thing. This one's a little bit newer than the Kenbak, but there were electric typewriters at the time. So what I've done here is I have taken apart this Smith Corona that I found at a thrift store recently. I took apart the keyboard and I traced out the connector to figure out which keys are operated by which pins, and I used a piece of cardboard and some of this copper foil here to create a homemade connector, and those are wired into several of these photoresistors, and those photoresistors are embedded in this block of wood. It's a bit crude, but it works well. Inside each of these little holes is a photoresistor, and those line up with LEDs on this micro Kenbak. So now I will feed a piece of paper into this machine. I'll turn it on with the fancy switch here. Now I'm going to connect. I should have connected this first so it doesn't type anything by accident. That just fits snugly over top of the LEDs. All I have to do is press start on the Kenbak and it will start typing. Each time it displays a 0 bit or a dead cell, it just prints a space, and each time it finds a live cell to print, it prints an A. I meant for this to be a capital A, but I traced the caps lock and put a button on the right pins for the caps lock, but for some reason it doesn't work, so we're just living with small A's for now. This is using the rule set 54, which is displays a little bit better because it is more symmetrical, not one-sided like the rule 110 from the previous experiment. there you have it. I'm sure there will be many more interesting patterns that can be generated with different rule sets, and I will print some of them and post some pictures of them. Thanks for watching.